Okay. Hey everybody. Today we will be making a hover disc. I get all of these kits from a certain app. It is called the Tinker. Connected with Kiwi Code. So let's open it. My dad is going to be doing it with me, but he's finishing up the show right now. You don't need both of them tonight. It's just fun. Well, looks like I opened it upside down. Okay, we got this foam, and we have a bunch of bags of little stuff. Okay. Okay. So we have our instructions. We might need the boxes, so I'll set it up to the side. Anyways, let me show you what we all got. We have this foam stuff. We have a couple of wood pieces. Let me turn on the light. We have our book. And for a while, this means sending them to the island of Madagascar. Crazy though that might sound, after June, when France surrenders, this idea suddenly gains resonance. Because Madagascar, an island off the southeast coast of Africa, is a French possession. So that's our book. We just have a few things. Those are blueprints. Don't worry, they're actually really easy. We had a sticker. Battery use instructions. Those people are not being set to work. And nobody wants to believe. I always thought that Hitler never wanted to smash into England. I'd like to get your thinking of why Hitler really hesitated. Okay, and then let's see what we have in these boxes. Okay, little cut open. Okay. This out. So it looks like we got some battery thing with some wires. Always be careful with this stuff. And some more wires. We also have this really clear thing. I'm not sure you'll be able to see it on camera actually. Okay. So that's what was in this bag. Oh, and we have some sticky foam pieces. Next bag. This was really difficult. We have a little cut. Let's see. Full texture maybe? Okay, there we go. There's a clean cut. Kind of rip it open. Let's see what we have in this one. a bunch of little pieces. Have to help this piece, big orange piece get out. Okay, so we have like what looks like a boat motor. We have a few of these block things that have a hole inside them. So you can see right through them. Ah. Yeah. You guys, should I keep the video like this? I don't think I should. Okay. Or maybe like that. No. You guys, I'm kidding, but we got about 3 of those. We got a bunch of tiny little blue screws. So that's most of the stuff we got so far. Let me get this orange piece. I'm not so sure what it's for actually. Maybe I should keep the video like this actually. Just kidding, guys. Okay, I'm gonna go put this knife away because it's super sharp. Oh. Okay, so that's all we have so far. And my dad will be here any minute.
Do I keep fighting the British kind of pointlessly? Or do I return to the main goal? And remember, the main goal from the beginning has always been the destruction of the Soviet Union. You use the word electric when you were told about the
I don't know. Anyway, so you guys, I'm gonna go get a snack. I'm hungry.
We were very surprised because the certificate is really suffered. I only became somewhat suspicious as the order dollars, we had it out.
I've decided I'm going to eat chocolate.
If he fights the Soviet Union with the British stole the war, that means a two-front war. It means the strategic nightmare that every German understands immediately. And that turns out to be
It's so good. Here, would you like a piece? Come on, you know what you want to buy. There's even almonds in it.
The funny thing about Hitler is that a lot of what he did seems inexplicable unless you consider his starting premise. The premises are usually either crazy or evilly coincidental. But if you accept his premise, you actually find something unquestionably
Hey, I guess you don't want it.
the British mostly target colonies in the Soviet as their kind of last interests allies in the European continent. In terms of not Soviet allies, only those who take up
Oh well. Or maybe I should keep it like this. Come on, there's only 4 pieces of chocolate left. You know you want one. You don't? Are you sure? Hey, I know you do. Yes, you. The boy slash girl who wants the chocolate. Look, it even has a little heart on it. You know what? You can help me eat it by pressing that like and subscribe. The little heart's about to be gone. You better double tap it for me to eat it.
Is this the box?
Yep, that's what was in the box. She's so pretty. She doesn't like me in her video. Okay, I'm gonna stop the video until like that actually goes over here.